Hello guys, T Scottish Cat, and I apologise if I look a bit grubby. I've just been back from the pumping station doing tours of the Beam Engine's tunnels. And I got home, and this came in the post. I'll tell you what it says. Good day, James. Here are a couple of stickers from my Jim's Workshop YouTube channel. I am very impressed with your knowledge and interest in all technology of steam engineering. I do hope you maintain this interest going forward as you get older. I have to say, I very much enjoy watching the T Scottish videos on YouTube. Take care, James. So that is from an amazing channel called Jim's Workshop, who sent me an email asking if I'd like some stickers. And thanks so much, Jim. He sent me two of the Jim's Workshop channel logo, which has a lovely lathe on it. Looks like it is an American lathe because he's from Minnesota. Never been to America, but I hope to go next year. They are absolutely brilliant. I'm not going to peel. I'm going to stick them with blue tack so I can move them around. But these are going to go on the wall next to my desk. I can see him every day. Thank you so much, Jim. Everyone, go follow Jim. He's got an amazing videos. I love seeing his videos of his Stuart steam engines. Please do go follow him. Thanks a lot, Jim. Go follow him.